Ebusian de bola bed. Oh, enkwasi akeka wura. Kevin Ekobedi Taylor. Obeyi kan kwasi Asɛm. Ama ne nkwasi akeka ni mu no wa twe Kuffour abewura mu. Ama Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonso na be clash. In fact, wo be twa na chimpre, be bo na chima pa enya fadi agro. Mema wonkyere mu na okere wa adwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Ahi Penyah block media. Meso say ni die mu. Obe like video no that ma follow subscribe button and be click notification connect latest updates na ba kire wa adwen de ama me. Ewo comment section so ba so. No share for Penyah biahwe. And before I turn command so let me take this moment to thank each and every one of you. Me ba platform we so on 5th February 2025 and I'm creating this particular YouTube channel. In fact, you guys have shown me great love. The support you've given me a massive. And me drew 32,000 organic subscribers. And you're common, sir. But you guys have made it common and easy for me. And whatever video I post every day, Biano, you've never left me alone. The Biano, you come to support my video. And I am much grateful to each and every one of you. Your bundle, your everything, your time that you spend to watch me. Matisse will be on Mukrana every day. Man, hear me, I'm going na. Nyami shira munyina na. Oma de mu bia enye an. De ma hwere mo hu bia nyame enhye mo na musika mo de ato bundle nyame emo adwuma enkoso na onkoso enhira mo. Let's go to the story. Antonym Stephen in team. Formerly na oye MPP national chairman. Is ono no beka ya. 2024 May mu ana Kuffour Eman appointment. Yes, or appointing a board of chair of National Petroleum Authority NPA. National Petroleum Authority Kuffour one of the chairpersons no ehun. Let's say oye MPP national chairman. Now this my way no ana 2005 mu no eba ye say you know oyare an hondo do say oyare serious pa into in the position as MPP national chairman no oja to hold my say and will resign on free party owo mu but in the position as a national chairman no how an hu siye na ontimi nto aso nya adwuma edina e say was step down ema nipa no ho oyeden no ebeje baton say ono eto aso ema 16 June no ebusiafo e de letter we e baaye letter say omu twere say we the family members of Mr. Stephen Ayosu in team national chairman of the New Patriotic Party bring you warm greetings. To begin with, we can all attest to Mr. Stephen in team's lifetime commitment and dedication to the New Patriotic Party for decades, rising through the ranks from first national deputy chairman to his distinguished service as the current national chairman, as demonstrated by his gentle but very assertive leadership style, his enthusiasm to his job, and his sheer love for this great party. At this juncture, we, the family members of Mr. Intim Stephen, have learned that the party has convened a meeting scheduled to be chaired by Mr. Intim, and we would like our beloved son, brother, nephew, and relative, Stephen Intim, to be excused from the attendance of this event due to recent development on his health and well-being beginning from today, 16th June 2025. Although not official, it is well known that Mr. Intim is not well at the moment and his condition requires time off from active professional activities in the interest of medical attention and monitoring for the meantime. Therefore, in compliance with his professional medication advice and in cognizance of his demanding office, we the family members do hereby request that Mr. Intim to be temporarily excused, not only from office duty, but also from outright party politics until further notice. Let's say, due to the health condition, Ebusian agents were here, omo pese, omo enya time, omo deshia no, say, omo cause according to medical advice, I will say, or Gia home kakra, cause the situation now. I will say, Unya Breman home into no person almost re. Ebusian check out a bremping fan was almost re. Anka omo person or resign say offend by from there who say wa resign na eya krata we na me kan actually see no eno na Kevin Taylor kremu say ne wanya evidence krata na Ebusian fo mu say yenya ni mu say Intim Stephen oyare no command we nyini ni feku em oyare no Kevin Taylor say ne o evidence say MP before poison Intim Stephen ele no do ko tena no show ne so ko kan nkwasi asera ne nsem no later am no kan bi ye no minim how can try to go chire mu ho no o chire mu say for the letter about which say MPP for a poison in Jim Stephen. Now you can try the Jimmy away Jimmy the Sakwasi away. Jimmy away Jimmy who be that. Letter in here. And here funny actually we say, oh poison, hey. And you know, mama. Emma Ninkwasa Kekano or the Kuffour be mu say Kuffour na stop here busuafo no ama o ma meka enye sa anka den anka na sa Ninkwasa Keka wi no eno ana Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonus abe clash with him enra na oba the show ne so no
Mente se adwuma we mfiri ho me won se emere bi etwa mu na me ba USA half fro no obi betena ne show so na be ma bomidi come to America bomidi from picture to ne bomidi bi oni ehwe. The person was just not relevant. But because he decided, said, we will no longer tell the people the kind of foolishness all you need to know. When you leeway be or the dim some of them I will let it slide because man for no angasa, you know. But what we will not allow, and it's such a character, a day and penny for mabo bracha and nissing. And in the bush you have phone yina. Edi betwitwi ne nkwasi asem a wo yenim. Now me wo ne sending me video bi efa amatela ho bola bed no se o ka ensem a enye no kore oye toro na oye toro no manfo na adwene mu o hanti wo twa mo toro kora na the and my brother me kire mu ache manfo no. Also Stephen Tim ya poison no. Ne ya poison Stephen Tim last year. The evidence in way, you should have evidence. The evidence in way here was a letter Stephen in team family at Chorobaye. Now, Obeka letter na mohu. Okay, I would have allowed because still are dunderheads. Airheads are the ones who follow this motherfucker. Forgive me, I mean, so why do you need to partner with Yakwa when Osha said, what do I need diagura? As Otimu said, I know Kuffour President Kuffour di Ebeshi. Even some President Kuffour Ankasa, knowing the man I know, I knew that the guy was just being a fool. What Jimmy? But I'm not me far phone. I'm afraid President Kuffour and said, no, what to say? You didn't come out here, baby, and said there is a video going also where now I have his permission to state on record. Muntie video no muntie.
Tell Stephen Tim the reason why Stephen Tim issue no enkoye. Do you know say mena woka Sunday J.A. Kuffour ya papa Kuffour nkwana stopping the family of Stephen Tim from coming out? Do you know why?
Muntie. Let me state on record. Me say me President Kuffour kasa ene anopa. So I have his permission. Say Jimmy Sam we ya kwase yi kano President Kuffour ni mu we. Tienye. Jimmy Sam ya kwa na kano President Kuffour edin ni mu ba bia oni mu ho we. Ora Stephen Tim yam poison ni ba bia. Stephen Tim yare because wanyini ana ehon sensem ni ade mema yare ni bia che no. Yam poisons chairman Tim ba bia. But obetwa tro a eso kofa mpanidi betwitwim. Jimmy Fossey
Stephen Tim was poisoned at one of the events our MPP organized here. J.A. Kuffour is the one standing between this action by the family and the Esiro. Now, say J.A. Kuffour and Stephen Tim family about out at a press conference. I'm a Ghana for you.
Stephen Tim family in Kohun President Kuffour baby, President Kuffour nim ho she. Mr. Stephen Tim yam poison Stephen Tim yare e no kore. Ne wo yare o yare ne mema yare. No poison anywhere. Chairman Tim yare before he means he 2020 a year election. Yam poison baby. Now Bola baby eba be chire mu die ntri a ya poison one for evidence fufuro bi amo Or say letter Stephen in team family. Edibe two Jan Wobe kind letter. No. But it baffles my mind how somebody could read such a letter and put that kind of interpretation on it, and the people believe such buffoonery, such foolishness. I don't get it.
And Sameboa, moi Muslim interview president no Chamko Busakufo. Me papa ko we kamenka.
Osi yenko busa president Kuffour me say and on all the gods in Ghana that I believe in. Any de mu nyina mugidi. Ensu atwa enwa hia nyina me say anopa yi. Me de president Kuffour adi nkomo. President Kuffour si Jimmy Semwe wonim ho hwe. Wonim ho hwe. Plain stupidity. Wajimi, we ya no hwe akola wajimi dia. We ya no hwe a wajimi. Wonim ho hwe. Na enti ni ya poison no a oberedi letter ni enti.
I know, say I know, but I have to say it because o party no omudi nkwasi asem dodo. The NPP poisons.
Yanko read letter krona obeka enti. Ko anim ni read letter krona. Okay, so letter now or say
you poison Stephen team.
You read letter.
Stephen team abusa for releasing letter no. In fact, let me minimize it and read the caption that was shown. Mokai, in team family. Letter nini. Mokai sa letter we. Data omutre na 16th of June 2025. And release this letter we.
Na atade be nkola pajamas bi e hye no a wode to a wodi o twatro e kire mpani. Jimmy bola bed. Hwe nkola pajamas bi e hye no a wodi twatro e to mpanimfo so.
Yeah. Now, Shade, Mami ready baby I am marking ready. Thank you very much, team, for bringing this in.
Team be any baby, team be one didn't say.
Asɛm na ebusuafo no throw omo letter nim. These are fucking dangerous people. Now, see, although not official, it is well known that Mr. Intim is not well at the moment, and his condition requires time off from active professional activities in the interest of medical attention and monitoring for the time being. Almost say, Munina munim. Asame busuafo no twom letter no say, minim se munina munim say, I Stephen Tim the home fano. The party knew from the past that the says Stephen Tim are poison.
Okay, so how do you read a letter which states that although it is not official, but it is well known that Chairman Stephen Tim is not feeling well, and you put a meaning to it that you say, oh, yenyam fan to just Chairman Tim yare. Name me sure say nipa bebre no anim say Chairman Tim yare. And a character like this could sit down and deceive the following. Say that presupposes that Stephen Tim has been poisoned. How does that statement in a letter presupposes being poisoned? Such a daft character, such a crazy ass character. A letter, Stephen Intim, although it is not public knowledge, but it is well known that Chairman Stephen Intim is not feeling well. And to his understanding, that statement announced, what kind of human being is this? Nan Kuffour nso agye. What human being is this? What Jimmy Kwenti brofo kakra onti ase? Yes, auntie. Yanto asunti.
Ena mo kan say, sesia no munyina munim no. Jare na abeto so ne nyina nim say ebe hia say ebe ne nkakra. Na ya so ne yare na no because munyina munim de okom ebusuafo ne letter nie. Where 2025 me de okọ back. Na ma kire why the MPP is a foolish political party.
The evidence in your letter you. Yes, what did Odinkrata Benyan and the evidence in the letter in ye.
Now, Mamma chose Stephen Tim, the reason why Stephen Tim issue no enquire. Time off from active professional activities in the interest of medical attention and monitoring for the time being. Almost say, Munina munim. As some of us want to letter say, Minim some munim say, I Stephen Tim the home fano. The party knew from the past that says Stephen Tim are poison. And I'm going to say, Sesia and Munina Munim no, Jarena Abaton, so young him say, Ben Yasi, Ben and Kakra.
So why in the letter?
Now, son, Yarena no, because Munina Munim,
hey, Bolabed, where in the letter is it stated that Stephen Intim was poisoned? You read a letter, the words are very clear, unambiguous. The words in the letter does not need any explanation. But you, in your daft mind, tends to put another interpretation on the letter to now say that Stephen Intim Abusuafo say you're poison, and you get the likes of a young money Kweku Komsemo. How do people who reason believe in this guy? How? I thought that I get baffled. How people actually believe such a fool? I don't get it. What your true letter? The words are clear. Stephen Intimu Yari, although Yenyanya in the public, but Munina Munim said Chairman Intimu Yari, it's Chairman Intimu Yari no. Obey take it time off, and it is only normal. It is only humane. It says Obi Yaria. Sabia him for cry. Yes, Yeshua Yaria. It is Obi Yaria. Obey take it some time off. How then do you put an interpretation on a letter that says that Stephen Intim Yari or Kosan Hoyari, it will be taking some time off to say that you are poisoning Stephen Intim, and he gets people to follow such a character? If only these people knew what this fool has been doing.
Ebusiafo ne letter nie. Where 2025, may they all come back. Now I'm sure why the MPP is a foolish political party.
This the poisons to be in Timuna, President Kuffour Stephen. The evidence in Indian new. When Yenipa Moma Genedi. And when you're about President Kuffour Stephen, I won't care because MPP now are serious. And you're about President Kuffour Stephen, I probably wouldn't have even responded. But more Mutien Munyosu Magene Kakre. More Mutien. It's more news swaggen no kakra. Obia kind letter no a year. Now what Timia Dada must say, let away Chelsea your poison will be end. What Jedi with that question? I really banned the Muslim. I really banned the Muslim. Okay, so Issa said, you got to where's your evidence in exposing KT because you have not recorded your conversation with President Kuffour? Okay, so let's even assume I did not even speak to President Kuffour. Let's for a second pretend that I have not even spoken to him. I am asking you, Umar, I'm asking you. It is will be here at the no kind of letter which what dreaming a year you must say. Hey, Mosumu agree you. Timmy you swag in it. But you see, and yame yasa, and I know miracle films can same be chreme. And Sassamon and Abbey, the guiding principle of Medina Muyase. I say, ya na yawa gene said ye ultimate drinning easily, no. Sana ubia timid drinning. Boa na agony if free ha, echo see war in a seat. Tia your muabotre. I'm not surprised that we get the likes of Kweku Combs and Umar, and they believe such foolishness from a guy. What kind of letter no intro him or see a poison. But you see, said the Basin tell us shasi, you know. And a Basin tell you a philosopher. We enche or a philosopher, what? Enche or a philosopher. Said we got a numina, I will be our can assembia, and I didn't will be our good beer, no, I can ask him more problem be out on baby. I will tell you, problem be any baby.
Now, Mammy can't say me people penny for the moon. What is your problem? At this juncture, what is your problem? More how net the more how pa and it's a monk country. You are appearing to be so weak. Muntimi nya adwuma na anase de. Because you know something, where Mammy can't say me to them. Some was I can Kevin Taylor, I can know. Say, Obi will sabi a wo a canipa. And is for Obisu or Mu the Bia. But say MPP need be woo. Over the Kevin Taylor better than Quassa should so. Or see a poison. MPP need be a yaba medium or yare, ya poison. And you know, Captain Smart Edmund into mine. MPP need be when ya can't crabby. Hey, Captain Fast Mekan, ya poison. That beyond on him, how is he poison the past missy? No, but can ya poison. No, not can just can be ya poison. And you know, these two people, they are so loud on the internet. And whatever that they are saying, you know, they are infiltrating the minds of Ghanaians. Some people believe them that whatever that they say is true. And the adding Tina MPP in penny for Moya high. So Kevin tell a Ghana have found on code you walk. And then a Captain Smart or take Ghana had on Obiwa. Or better now, ya poison, no, MP before poison, no, many have before the poison John Kuma and there's Kumi, MP before the poison, no, Sankwasaki Kano. And then I'm going to be carried on. Just a my moya and fahu. Oh, and yes, she on the canism. Say Ghana for person won't believe in tra or won't believe in that. Now, have we forgotten said, and some more moke cano. It is inciting the youth against the party. Why do you know hoping? And some more cano. It is making the party unattractive to other people. It is making the party appearing scary to some people. Why do you know? Because anybody behind your be said, MPP there, Udi Agura, they will kill you, they will poison you. When they see that you are shining small, they will cut you off. And you watch these people to come on their shows and vouchsafing this nonsense. They'll be vouchsafing this nonsense and just be watching them. As will be uncare, more fashion. Massa, social media has become a very powerful tool in the center of our politics. And whatever what is posted on the internet must be treated with serious attention. Yes, I would diagram. Asɛm bɛfa wase so onu America nkyerɛ mo. And from time to time, and you know the last time na many akobi ye comparison bi ni ade. And he was bold enough to tell me say MPP party for mo no ya na ebekun wi. Okwati free him because of the nonsense that Captain Smart and Kevin have been saying. Anytime there is issue that deals with death around MPP members pop up on the internet, they'll become on their stupid shows to vouchsafe nonsense. That MPP poisoned him without any evidence, without video proof, without picture evidence. They just say it in the thin air, just like that. No muko. And MPP penify you can't say anything about this. And what do you want? And gradually, they are inciting the youth against the party. People with ideas who may want to join the party, you know, get position in the party and push the party forward. No, they are all setting back because of the kind of conversation I cost Mountainous. Because I'm going to say, you have poison with the other maybe. And then a man young Denison bet my check Captain Smart, move me seal the court because he's causing fear and panic in the youth from joining the MPP. And then a simple question me seal the court. What is stopping you from sealing Captain Smart? What is stopping you? Then they stop him. And I say, Musika, you just left office. You just left office. You have money. If you didn't stop him, I'm those who are defending the party. You, the leaders, are just there. As a more fashion. You don't care about anything. More fashion when I say, it's so weak. My mentor me show so. Na men kase. Any scenario woo ya no. Ya poison no. Anka in less than 24 hours. You are be cheme. But you just watch Captain Smart come on his shows to say nonsense. Ya poison way. MP for the poison will not free. It doesn't mean say whatever thing that he says is it true? And I said that because he has been saying this on many occasions and you are not doing anything about that. It doesn't mean say silence means consent. Is it true that you keep poisoning your members or what? Master, more careful. MP penny for all due respect, you can see he said, I am talking with a BDI. They are more good party than anyone. You can't be watching people to be saying nonsense about the party and just be watching them. My way MPP can't see me find this in Anka, I tell you, in less than 24 hours, as we may prove it with evidence.